kum kadak man skaungu ya ka jingtrei borba ki borshnong kumjo ki nongtrei ka kot ka khia ha ka jingye khoni ka klam covid khat kandai ha ki ni ki kindet snem baladem na kalyang jong ka UDP Shillong West ha ka si sa jan kala penlong ya ka jinga lang le burom ka bakerpang na ka benta jongki ha community hall lomkshan ha ka te ka jingle burom bala penbit penbiang da ka jingkashan borba jong MDC ka than ba Polando la don lang ru director ka tanat ka kot ka khia Dr. Amanwar nalor kirang ba shnong bat kinong trei ka kot ka khia hagni gisngi nakalyang uba pol ula samru daga songker pang ya kilais pa sau pu saungut kinong hikai naki arfu artli ki school ki batrei met bat mensim ban hikai online ni ki kena hakapor badang jurba ka khlam covid khat khandai
Dr. War bangala ban ong dekin ki kentin Dr. War led the war against the virus successfully. Karon kita koy mongong, wa men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. The group. Dr. War, kat nunggut you health minister Alet Chakma, ilangne hadu bentar, still leading the war from the front. Masuknat, masumu, bangiyo api, kung was my friend. Bahajan lah. Pak Mike War, iba dari Presiden juga Constituency Committee, Dr. Lamstang, Dr. Kalbuli, heads of educational institutions, Baro Arthur Lightning, who are all part of 18 West Constituency, CCMT members and workers, Kirang Bashnong, Secretary of Yudar Bashnong, Baro Shkotli Yudar Ni, Kejauhan Muslim Kemudian nama yang ada dalam Felicity program dalam Syitai Sejauh Relationship Bujiri minta pada hari ada Kejauhan Bashnong Maulai Maudah Kaba Maulai Nombali Gadis minta ada pada EDC Constituency Kejoli Ketim Kejong ke 18 West Constituency. Teamwork works. Katanya hak itu mau berubah. Luckily, you sting Longrai Bokona. How did you become such a successful solo musician? Ujubab I was never a solo musician. The guy who carried my guitar is also part of my team. Teamwork works. But when you can do lang kuni, kadai kaji kedu, kabangi yung tang shikin din. Ila ikan bur shikin ini boleh pasang. Kadai nak kalian ke jonga ke team ke jongi, yung Yaki Kinte Kublai Shubur. Thank you. Mdan ke kentil ke bakham kraw banya gini. Ke Oprah Winfrey. Ke orang kedentang kawai kecing doai pakai. Kepada atli ki kentil. Tam kata kecing doai kelak biak. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Kata ni kecing doai kepada kamu. It's the most effective, the most efficient, the most powerful prayer on earth. Thank you, said Oprah Winfrey. Ladang idon ni kene kemensier, an attitude of gratitude. Kani ke pengidon lang ni kene, aku abang ibn iya kata, ke attitude of gratitude. But kiong attitude of gratitude takes you to higher altitudes. Ni dalam ni kinong hikai, kidor basnong, health workers, namar hapersya jong katika kelapa, bila proof, bila penting tikna, that the human spirit cannot be broken, that the faith in a power higher than a virus can never be broken. And that faith ultimately triumphs. Lada mission bread, lada mission wood, lada mission tea. Inam lapan long ki nong jong. Initially, when the virus hit us, we almost succumbed to fear, commotion, negativity. But today we have proved that we are survivors, that we are winners. Tidak, day dakata pengangaslo pengandong bagi hidup ni tang kat pandong population pun ya ka contribution jompi kinong hikai ki principal kamde ka besuk wapin kalian nak traditional mode of teaching siya ka online mode of teaching kamde ka besuk kajing dawai ka puar ka jompi kajing dawai attention ka jompi ki dorba shlong makan mau Dr. Aman ini dan lang hingga bar mau pram haka puar kata height kajing kiu bhajong benika pandemic kidon mau pram ki balik saying balik jengok iki kiau shalom mau ba sabe memang mau pram dan positif dia satu kelina insyaallah nilayat limba kata puar andai kecil sisa kalau aku akan menurut kami ini kentin kiba berbuat ki agen sirena when you deal with any situation, remind yourself that when something powerful, when a hammer tries to break you, you are either a piece of glass that is broken or a piece of iron that is molded by the same hammer. Kasyong pidei uternan, lalu uternan utir ke pi. Kasyong pidei ke yet ke bapat, ne pidei unar ubasya sandur atau uternan. Ti, ngong ini namar kau ni uap ni pion, sudah wujud jom kerjalah peladak santus nem, andai ke bangsa kena hakim bun kilian. Pada kita jom kita bajing du jing keban ngasno ni don kat mingut ban yulum ban peti kena ban proof ban ila ban job ya jing baru we can triumph over any obstacle dan have to see ngawan hamau sendra ban pe ya football tournament ki syafir Makin kenal iki UPL Kubaka FIFA keagatan the greatest football ever born. Hakakuat ba udang dap cut sauce nem, cut live cut sauce nem. Upa bentit bol hau kupa wong ngam dan bisa. Kei boleh usim ya kemuja barutat daki football. That is how Pele started playing football, stuffing old newspapers in old sacks and converting that into a football. And he became the greatest footballer ever. Ketar dia kejuk kebensin, kebang asngau impen kemau dia, ninya Japan, minum dari bandar kecing, not musim, lain kena jingduk jingkepan. Hope springs eternal in the human breast. But kumagi tu bisa melawan penkenal pada jiwa itu joki. You've got to serve somebody. Ni im hangne apartheid. Pan syakri yakiway. Larang im appreciate. Larang im ong kublai shibun yapi. Larang im long kumne. Kum kadak ni ai katno kabang ni ai kadum lawan ne budski. Andai kajing it, kajing semomo, ke recognition katakan ya ini sentiu ula ban pu ula ban ubi tang la dapi ai uyo e kesni uyo e kesbo la dapi syui kumtu kam selambon telanjut nak tak dog ini kencing ya keduk lang kejungi kedai kencing pun kenal ba undan kan yam ke kham khrau undan ke kai ke kham khrau undan ke philosophy ke kham khrau banyak ke semua but ni wan ni ban on iway ni semua we are thankful to each one of you for your contribution ladang idon katingot ban long tang hawi ko hol borok ni piang ki aset jong gani ka jela ka jogi bala ka jela ka jogi ka bun ki aset kat ni a iwe yu hol ngimma man om bakal lawi ka jogi kan long ka bedum ba mundan jik ben ka bodan tang jing after tiga sudah ninya syabram ta ka ju ka minsin ni hikai lingkong modern education ino hikai dadang ni modern education came to these hills less than 2 centuries ago. We will turn 2 centuries in 2041, which means we are 180 years now being exposed to modern education. In less than 2 centuries, we have produced somebody who became Chief Election Commissioner of India. We have produced somebody who became Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha. We have produced people who held as chairperson of the UPSC. We have many luminaries, and that potential still lives in us. Kasyong hangi mata bakumno, jika ingin mengidan mentapak. Kajinghiar kajungi hakasan pakai kajinghiar kajungi hakak akuar beberom kini berok kidawa yang attention kajungi. Are you part of the problem or are you part of the solution? Kulish pun boleh pulang ini begitu. Kulish pun.
Isyam ni kadang-kadang ban penkop buram, bat ai buram, bat pendan buram, ya fi baro, hala kijong kikam kijong fi ke fitrai, namar haga ni kejengwan juga kelam, baro nyewan lang haju, bat nyew trai lang kumju. Nialam lam kumju i jingge bat hapor bangi ni dang ya chakmat kadang jur ba ka jingti nim jiyo ya kalap baniya bat ai khum lei kerpan ya fi bat tat hadu ka ni kapor ka bangi yo la kumni baniang bat berpal ya ka jing songu ka jungi ya fi baro ki berarti ban treasure rahab ban wan sakmat ban tem ya kan ikhlam niya lemba jong ikhlam kumulong mene ibe ni ginong kren hakajing bam tip por kwan ni ko but Only kisni tayo bat kibanay kiwan ki instruction ni ai di instruction siya CCMT siya ki Jaka Sumar ki jungi ki health institution ki jungi bat kimi kini ki jing batha lani ki protocols bat hagani kasiruan ban yang sensitif bat ngadong kata bat ki nongtre ki badan long bat ni kani kapor Dr. Bilang Stang Ibawan Hadin Dr. Jekhar Puri badan long bat ni bertrai syudraham bat ki anam saungat badan long hagan ki arteli ki urban health center ki badan hang ni po mau pran apa luar mau perat lada day bangi mio ya ketika man ketika yang jong kisnong hapo ketinggalan kajong kirang basnong sekretarišnong dekhot komiti jong kisnong nginam long kumalong menta kum hagani kapor bat nginum yo hi ban yang ban ya penpau ya kajing sngo burom kajungi ya pi baro kajing ai ya ki advice ya ki suggestion ke bawan lagi nong yelam kajungi bat iwe de ba pol ling do halor kumno baniat chapang bat ban tregam ya kata nimla ban klep kirang basnong jong kisnong baper kumkir representative jong kisnong nyai kublai yapi kerpang nak health department kamtam nak directorate ke bangadon kaba nisia kren nak phone ngimi itu iwe hindai kakam gade kabafi penpas khamat pendat ki kam ki jongpi kiba nimla ban batai binya hangni hindai kalong ki ki bonra ya kacing song sengai ha kisnong ki baper ki jongi haga juga por ni ya kani ka klam kala kham duna ni ka jingwan jong vaccination but hapor ni kren syapang ya ka jingpang ka bawan khmat ni kham klet bo ya ka jing jong ki khna khamtam kita bilang pulih. Bar ngayos ngo, ya kajingkran kajong principal, menne. But kadang kham pensyonya, but kadang kham pensotu yang ngaruh. Ba ngamtik hagan ukur kom ngan penuan ni gani namar hapor bang susong nasya penuan kisuan kini kikintin, kibang si note down man kapor man mengiyo ikini ki. Quotes lagi kentin di mangiyok sepenuan ini kami kiai baru kilong kensan kajing hikai online lu kalong kensan kajing wan gadi kelam kalong kensan kumnu ban yele persya ini kelam kilong tiba kensan sudah berkhad but ni songo shibo ni kinong hikai bawatlah kijing kibabon ndrei pi pendap ni kamram ka chungpi kumbala ongi principal mene ngam keren ka english ni kiong ba it is actually very difficult to try kamut requiring effort and exertion to relax requiring an absence of effort and exertion. Kena kita school kecing persang hapton baik. You have to try. Pidon hiye, pilong aram, you relax. Tamang isyam, masuk tu kerkom kecing keren kapi ai principal mana kapalong song kia, song sebai bah mana kapalong ba. Try and relax. Just don't seem fit together. Pada hang ni mga sutu, ya kajing jong ginong hikai. Ni penpau, ya kajing songo bapo. Ba baru kata ni ken mau bet CCMT, ni ken mau batang ki asya, ki angau nadi, ni klet ya kini kiwei ki ba ai kajing hikai. Ya ki hap ki barit ya ki kena ki jungi. Nam ta kala wei ki jongki kena school pipen ko buram ki kamot kani kapni ya kajing yar kajing mot berkat kajing yar ka donot chofi you've got a big heart kanu ko bafi pen ko buram ki whatever it is it has come from something kumo angi matirat that a person who is a poet a distinguished poet when it comes from such a person, it means that all the teachers and all present here will be receiving these awards. You are well thought of. But baros katang idyaw sim, we felt very down. Ngapet kinong tray kijong po ki health institution they were very down. Ngapet ban ay ki encouragement namar ngingi don in the four corners. Tar hado bang nami isyabar. Ngakan mau ya katan namar bang yami lang ba ayel hek. Ibaw ya ngi mlong man song ngi dai beli isyabar. Ni so ni kijing diaw jong isong ni kijing diaw jong kinong tray kijong ni haki bobon gerkom. Inong kran ni kaya kapisar. Ndai kajing tiang, that fear. Kajing diaw. Ndai ndang ilapoi hagani. Kapuar kum bagi fili akamen menta. Pipen pau iku miki. What is it that Pak Paul has done? Has given you that feel good factor?